How to fix Snapchat sound problem easy and quick. Welcome everybody, wherever you are. We will solve this problem right now. Let's do it. So what you have to do, open the settings of your device. Click on apps option and search for Snapchat and click. So guys, right now you're gonna see this list. Just scroll it down, click storage option, click clear cache. Go back after that, click here on force stop and click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store, update your Snapchat, and after updating Snapchat, guys, you just have to restart your mobile phone and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.